Hello, friends! Let's make yummy fruit popsicles! First, we pick sweet bananas.
Now let's add juicy watermelon!
Don't forget yummy kiwi! Blend, blend, blend! Pour it into popsicle molds. Freeze them and wait. Wow! Delicious, healthy popsicles! Oh, wow! Banana popsicle is dancing! Watermelon popsicle wants to dance too! Look! Kiwi popsicle is singing a funny song! Uh-oh. Banana slips on an ice cube! Don't worry! Friends always help each other! Let's have a rainbow dance party! Yummy, healthy, and super fun! Hooray! Best fruit friends forever!